Hello everyone, welcome to AI Brahma YouTube channel. My name is Ganesh. In this Master Document Automation training series, let's have a discussion about predefined versus unstructured document type. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get first notification to you. If you haven't watched my previous session about document automation, I would recommend please go and watch entire series till here so that you will get to know what exactly we covered for the document automation. So in the previous session, we have created a learning instance using invoice as a data type. So in the invoice, if you remember, when we created a learning instance, we have selected the type as invoice. So basically, some of the predefined type automation anywhere is already created and trained for the developers. Example, invoice, arrival notice, bill of lading. You don't want to create this type of learning instance again and you don't want to train it. So example, invoice, if I take it, you will get predefined fields which is required for ideally for invoice. So this we call it as predefined document type. In case if you are having unstructured document type, example, let's say you want to create bank statement learning instance, you want to automate bank statements, then what will happen here? You have to give a name as a banking statement, but in the document type there will be no banking statement document type which is created by automation anywhere, right? So that's why you have to go with unstructured document. So basically, whenever you are not having a predefined document, then you have to go with the unstructured document type. And here you will have the same structure. You can select which language you are working for and what is a local language, and also the provider, only one you will get it here, automation anyway, user defined, and the provider is Abby, Google Vision or Digital Extractor. So let me take a Abby, and you can work with both Anthropic and OpenAI. Once you click next, you will not have a predefined fields here. That is the difference between predefined and unstructured document type. And here you have to create your own fields. Example, from the banking statement, what exactly you want to extract. So example, bank account number, and the same thing I will take it here and create. So like this, you have to create your own fields, whatever required for your learning instance. This is what the real difference between predefined versus unstructured document type in automation anyway. If you are having any confusion or a question, please comment on this video comment section. I will try to help you guys with answer. Happy learning. Go be great.